Hi guys, this is Micah, aka Lava Knight, but my username is that. But this woman will try to talk to this dog.
And you know who I am.
You're Emma Wise.
The Beast Clown.
Yeah, and if you like and subscribe, I will give you free coupons to get ice creams at Hawaii. Whoa, this dog's trying to hit me. Kind of like my last video. Let's just get that camera on that butt. Let's just get that camera on the butt.
You know what's weird? She has white and black fur, and I'm wearing a white and black shirt.
You're a husky now.
This must have to mean something.
Okay. Here, camera line. It's your turn. Now, guys, I'll be doing a giveaway on tomorrow, and the first person to subscribe by tomorrow will get a free coupon to go to Japan. Peace out. Peace out. Bow, 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 dab.
I saw this fucking thing and it was like,
Hey guys,
dude was
we are going to
hitting,
be talking to Kira.
this dude was hitting his girlfriend from behind and she's like, I love when you verbally abuse me and gets me off. And he's like, yeah, you like that, don't you fucking retard.
Let's let the fans see the dog.
It's
The
like,
magnificent
I was banging the
beast.
retarded neighbor girl that next door, and
The beast. The
She
beast
was
does not really
swallowed,
have
so-
red eyes.
I shot on the window.
Let's let the woman do it.
So I shot on the window and let nature take its course.
Gravity. Take its course. Window is it?
You're a good puppy, aren't you? So pretty.
And she's off.
And she's up.
And she's back for more.
You're cute.
I just
You're really cute.